Mabitso la ka ke Final Sefatsa ke hlasane ka my last born Bohai, the only one who's short. Ba mo tseba ka Mr. Sweet and Short, but well known as DJ Finzo.
I'm gonna dance for what? Ladies and gentlemen, are you guys ready for the one and only DJ Finzo?
I love music, man. My father, Timothy Lore, Hangata, Habapala, Divinal that time LPs. Maybe Kukule Busho, he will say, come and listen to the music. DJing for me, I think it's something that Mujuma Fileniona or Johona Hohe, you connect the battle, or I can make you guys happy. Voilà.
My name is Anle Kawa, and I'm originally from Maritzburg, but I'm currently living in Johannesburg. I was raised by a single parent. Anle is a person that's fun and loving. There's a theatre called the Hexagon Theatre, and I used to go there every single Friday. So that is where the love in theatre and media developed. And then I was like, you know what? Actually, I want to do this for the rest of my life. Sonikile Jamini ichayet yakatubuza the gospel singer, the worshiper. Ngithanda ukucula, ngithanda ukudansa, ngisine, ngibathanda nabantu. Esikhathini samanje we living in a time of depression ne-low self-esteem. Abantu bazibukela phansi, abazethembi. Wanele. And mina thank God ukuthi ngiyayithanda. Akudingi ukuthi ngenze umsindo ukuze ngithole i-attention yomuntu. Ngiyaqhamuka nje and then mase ngiyabuka. Akudingekanga nanokuthi ngibe negazi.